In this SolidWorks simulation tutorial, we're going to start a static analysis on this bracket here. I'm going to show you how to do prescribed displacement, meaning we select a face or an edge, we give it a direction of enforcing, requiring it to move a certain distance, and therefore, with or without a load, that requirement calling out that displacement will see the reaction stresses on this once we fix the other side. So we're going to first do a complete fixture, meaning, no sliding or rolling. So we're going to fix where, some potential hardware could go, screws, bolts. We'll fix these slots. Now for external loads, you'll see this prescribed displacement show here. You can see a little animation of what we're going to do. So we're going to go by on flat faces. So we could use reference geometry in this case. We're going to select this face to move, displace a certain distance. Very helpful if you're, if you're not totally sure on determined on a specific load or force. You have the displacement that it needs, it might move or want to simulate the movement distance. So we're going to select flat face. We're going to select this face. Here's our different planes of movement. So along, this direction upwards in the X direction, it looks like. We'll simulate just 1 millimeter. We can change the direction. We'll go upwards. Select OK. Looks good. Go ahead and create the mesh. It's making it a thin feature, it looks like. That we'll go ahead and run it. Might give us the large displacement warning. We'll see. Yeah. Large displacement detected. And we have the results of the von Mises. So compared to our yield strength of 1.7 times 10 to the 8th, looks like our scale is above that yield strength. The where the concentrations are, you can see around these where we fixed these slot holes, showing some peak von Mises stress. Let's go ahead and probe it. Yep, right there, where we've got a spike above our yield strength. So, we'd have to look more into that, how much red area that is, how concentrated it is, but it looks like it might fail there. So that's how you use prescribed displacement in SolidWorks stress analysis. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and support me as always. Become a bronze channel member. Support me on Patreon. See you on the next one.